Creating a song is one thing, but turning that song into a proper music video with visuals, characters, mood, and cinematic scenes usually takes a lot of time, editing, and production effort. That's where Sondo AI comes in. Sondo AI is an AI-powered platform that lets you create music and turn your songs or audio tracks into AI music videos. You can upload a song, add a reference photo, describe the kind of video you want, creates visuals around your music. So instead of stopping at just an audio file, you can create something that feels ready for YouTube, Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, or any music-based content format. This video is sponsored by Sondo AI, and in this video, I'll show you how it works, from creating a song to turning it into an AI music video. So let's get started. Once you land on the website, you'll see a clean and simple interface. I won't spend too much time on the homepage, because first we are going to create a song. So I'll click on the music section from the left menu. Here, Sondo gives us two options, basic and advanced. If you don't already have lyrics, you can start with basic, but if you already have your lyrics ready, advanced gives you more control. So I'll select advanced, and now I'll paste the lyrics of my song here. Sondo also gives you an option to refine the lyrics, but in my case, I'll keep them as they are because I already have the lyrics ready. Now I can describe the music style I want. For this example, I'm going with a UK drill singing style, then I'll add the song title. Let's call it Awesome. After that, I'll choose the vocal gender. I'm going with male vocals for this track. Then we can select the style tags. There are multiple options here, and you can also keep it random if you want the AI to decide. But for this song, I'll choose hip-hop, pop, and rap. Once everything is set, I'll simply click on Create, and Sondo AI will start generating the song. Now our song has been generated, so let's take a quick preview. And honestly, the output sounds pretty good. From here, you can easily download the song, copy the lyrics, or even edit the song information if you want to make changes later. But the most interesting part is this option: Create Music Video. So now, instead of just keeping this as an audio track, let's turn it into a proper AI-generated music video. I'll select the song and click on Create Music Video. Now we are inside the MV creation interface, and again, the layout is simple and easy to understand. First, we need to select the duration. I don't want to generate the full song right now, so I'll select only the first 30 seconds for this test. Next, we need to choose the lead character or avatar for the music video. You can upload your own photo, use a copyright-free image, or even use an AI-generated face if you want a custom character for the video. But for this example, I'll use one of the available images. After that, I'll select the gender, and then we get this MV description box where we can describe the exact kind of music video we want, the mood, story, visuals, scenes, emotions, and overall style. But for this test, I'm going to leave it blank because I want to see how Sondo AI understands the song by itself and what kind of visual direction it creates automatically. Then I'll keep the title the same, disable the watermark, and select the aspect ratio. Since this is for a YouTube-style video, I'll go with 16:9. Once everything is ready, I'll click on Generate Script. And this is where the process gets interesting. As soon as we click Generate, Sondo AI starts working like an AI agent behind the scenes. It analyzes the song, understands the mood, detects the emotion, and starts building a visual concept around the audio. As you can see, it first analyzes the entire track, then creates the idea, storyline, and visual direction. After that, it generates a preview and even gives us a full storyboard with scene-by-scene details. And the preview already looks quite cinematic. You can see how the visuals are matching the mood of the song instead of feeling random. Now, once the storyboard is ready, I'll click on Create, and the actual video generation process will start. Here, Sondo AI first creates images for each scene based on the storyboard. After that, it converts those images into video shots and starts building the complete music video. And you can see the shots are looking visually strong. The lighting, character framing, and overall cinematic feel are actually impressive for an automated workflow. Once the scenes are generated, Sondo compiles everything together and creates the final music video. So now let's take a quick preview of the result. And yes, the final output looks really good. The visuals match the music, the scenes have a proper cinematic mood, and it feels much more complete than just uploading a plain audio track. From here, you can download the video, share it, delete it, or even edit it. Let's quickly open the edit option as well. Inside the editor, you get a proper editing style interface where you can adjust different parts of the video. You can regenerate images, regenerate video clips, add titles, and make changes scene by scene if something doesn't match your vision. So overall, this is not just generating a random visualizer. Sondo AI is actually taking the song, understanding the mood, creating a storyboard, generating visuals, turning them into video, and then giving you editing control over the final music video.